As you may know, me and Wolf Girl are literally like BFFs. So when Wolf Girl is really busy, you guys give me lots of spell and potion requests that Wolf Girl ignored because she was so busy. Now I will be reading to you all kinds of spell requests. Sorry if your spell request isn't in this one video. Sorry. I'll make a part 2. Make sure to put in the comments if I missed you. Then I will make a part 2 for you. This is one that's from Toxic Spells and some Mental. I really want to be a rabbit. Can you please make a spell for that? Can you do a lichen spell? Please do a dark halo spell. Can you make a spell to change a stone into a dino egg, please? It's okay if you can't. Could you make a spell to run for a long time without getting out of a breath? That would really help for some lessons school. Can you do a teleportation spell or a spell that makes you draw really good / better than before? If you can do one of those, I'm gonna be so grateful. You bothering me. Bye. Thanks for reading. So many videos coming out recently. If you didn't see my comment on my last video, I love for you to do a HTTYD spell. As I really want a dragon, I like it updated summon a wolf spell. As what you can do with that. Can you do a Danny Phantom spell like to gain his power in a ghost form? Please, can you do somehow a dragon from How to Train Your Dragon spell if you can? Can you make a spell so your spirit animal becomes your familiar, so it can live with you and it has powers? Could you do a spell to become a unicorn with 3 powers? Or an unlimited shapeshifter spell where you can turn into everything? Can you do a companion spell that's like an unseen spell? Can you do a spell to become? And can you make a spell so your crush likes you and is the best to you, please? Please make a spell to have claws like in the Wolverine. Can you do a fox spell? Can you do a really powerful mind reader spell, please? Can you do a hellhound spell, please? Can you do a miraculous spell, please? I know this sounds weird, but is there a spell or something like a cure? This sounds so much weird. Can you make a Power Ranger spell, please? Thank you. Hello, girl. Can you please do a dinosaur spell? No, you're so cute. Hey, Wolf Girl. Please make a spell to summon a Pegasus, and thanks for this spell. Okay, so if you guys got a comment from Magic Jamma and your vid was in this video, that means that your spell or potion request was looked at by me. And the saying maybe is I may do it, I may not do it. The saying yes is I will do it sometime. And no is I can't or don't want to do it. And the saying no is I can't do the spell because it's like too hard or I'm too busy, or I don't want to do it because it may be dangerous for you or somebody else. Bye, guys.